Good morning, students. Now again we will see the journal. All of you open your book. Page number 5.67. Question number 17. So all of you open your book. Now see question number 17. Now you will draw the column of journal. Now you know first column is the date. Second column is the particulars. Third is the ledger folio. Next, amount. Debit. And next, amount credit. So see the question. Pass general entries for the following transaction. Purchased machinery for 20,000 and paid 200 for its carriage. You have purchased the assets, and on same day, if you will pay carriage, freight, installation charges, repair, all these expenditure should be added in the cost of assets. So cost of machine will be considered 20,000 plus 200, 20,200. And same entry, only one entry will pass. Machinery account debit to cash account. Machinery account debit to cash account. But amount will be 20,200. Received a check of 4,850 from Yash in full settlement of his account of 5,000. Total amount balance was 5,000, but you have received only 4,850 in final payment. So difference 150 will be considered as a discount. So cash account debit. Discount account debit to Yash. Cash you have received 4,850 and discount will be 150, and to Yash, that is total 5,000. Received by check first and final of 60 pice. 60 pice means 60% in a rupee from Y, who owed us 10,000. So out of 10,000 you have received only 60%, now means 6,000. So balance 4,000 will be considered as a bad debt. It is not a discount. Try to understand. Discount amount may be either 1%, 2%. But here you are seeing a big amount. So it will be considered as a bad debt. So cash you have received by check. So bank account debit bad debts account debit to Y. So 6,000 in bank 4,000 bad debts and 10,000 will be in white. Next, sold goods to Z for 10,000. At a trade discount of 20%. Next day, now means day has been changed. So first you will pass the entry of sell sold goods to Z debit to account. List price is given 10,000. Less trade discount 20%, 2,000. So sell price will be 8,000. Next day, a check was received from him after deducting 5% cash discount. Check was immediately deposited into the bank. So you have given the cash discount 5%. So that's cash discount 5%. $400. So you have received the cash only 7,600, and you have received this by check, and check has been submitted into the bank on same day. So bank account debit, discount account debit, to Z. You have received the check of 7,600, discount is 400, and Z will be 8,000. Next point is point number 5. Goods costing 20,000 sold to Manoj at a profit of 20% on cost less 10% trade discount. So cost price that is given 20,000. You will add profit. Profit is 20%, that is 4,000. So list price will be 24,000 less trade discount 10%, 2,400. So sell price will be 21,600. Goods sold to Manoj. So Manoj debit to sales account and amount will be 21,600. All of you solve this question in your copy for better performance. Each question you have to solve in your copy. Thank you, student.